See how mad she gets? This is funny. So she took the key fob from the van so I can't go anywhere. Come on, get in. I won't do it. I promise. Okay, get in.
I swear to God.
Get in, hurry. This is a rolling car.
You hurt me the last time you did this.
You know what? That's right, back it up, girl. Is that funny, Waynie?
No, it's not. I'm not in the mood.
My daddy. It's my one. My head too.
It's not me!
What was that, Emma? Was that Dr. Pepper? I filled the Dr. Pepper with pickle juice and Emma drank it.
It wasn't me, it was in my eye.
Come here, so I can show you this. Come here. What did I tell you about leaving stuff around? So your brothers can eat it. Look, how's it smell? Huh? Tell them where we're going, Wesley. You going to the beach?
Yep.
Are you excited? Where are we going, Waynie? Yeah, you gonna build some sandcastles? Yeah, you gonna get in the water with Daddy this time? Are you gonna get in the water this time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll
Alright.
be there.
Alright, I'm coming. Alright guys, so we're heading to the beach. It's gonna be a beautiful day here. 90s and sunny. Em, you ready? Have fun? You gonna have fun today?
Yes.
Yes? You gonna get in the water with me finally?
Always get in the water.
No you don't, you'll never get in the water with me.
Yes, I do.
Waynie said he's gonna get in this time.
He always
Right,
gets,
Waynie? You gonna get in this time?
he always gets in the water.
Do I get the West?
Alright, so we're waiting for Cammy and Dayton and then we're gonna get on the road.
Let's go.
Go. Yeah, me. Yay, yay, yay.
Having fun?
Yeah. Oh.
Those people had the right idea. They're laying out in the water right there. Alright, so we're done at the beach, stopped at the gas station here to get some drinks. We had super fun, especially the boys did. Didn't you? You got in the water, jumping over the waves? Huh? You too, Wessie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you guys have fun? Yeah. Well, the girls are in getting something to drink, and we're going to go back home, get some showers, and let the boys take their naps. Even though it's super late. They're probably going to sleep on the way home. As much fun as they had. You're not going to take a nap? No? Okay. Alright, well, he's boycotting this nap like always. Sorry, guys, for slacking the past couple